Hello, guys. Good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. Futures are looking pretty good here. It's about 9 o'clock. We have the Dow futures up around 67 points. NASDAQ's up about 61. S&P 500's up about 11 points. We got some big upgrades and downgrades this morning. Bristol Myers was upgraded by Guggenheim from neutral to buy. A price target is $70. If we take a look at BMY here in the background, you'll see that's getting a nice little pop in the morning here. 62.50 is going to be the resistance, number one, and number two will be 65. So if we could break that 62.50 on Bristol Myers, we could be looking for a nice little swing trade possibly for this week's expo. O'Reilly Auto Parts, ORLY. That was upgraded by Raymond James from market perform to outperform with a 550 target. Nice thing about this, we just got that 1020 SMA cross. We have the MACD cross down below here, and we have the green bars on our histogram. So that's looking really good. The only thing we're going to be looking for here is like a break above around 485. So we could easily trade O'Reilly Auto Parts here for something maybe like an in-the-money vertical spread, since the options for it are probably going to be a little bit higher. Put that on your watch list this morning. O'Reilly Auto Parts here. Another one, Amazon. Amazon's climbing off that 10. Amazon's up about 0.5%. Going into the holidays, guys. Black Friday's coming up. Amazon sales are going to be strong here. We got Overstock. That's up quite a bit here as well in the morning. OSTK. That one's climbing in the morning here. Let's see what else we got going on. Snapchat's up pretty big. Snapchat's been on a tear here. I think we might be doing some regular calls on this. If we could break that previous candle's body here, let's just look for a break above 28.50, and we could jump into some weekly calls, or even go with next month's monthly expo there and look for some regular calls on that. Tesla was upgraded here from 475 to 500. We have a trade on Tesla. So if you take a look at Tesla shares here, Tesla's holding that 10-day simple moving average pretty well. We have the 495, 500 vertical call spread for the November 20th expo. That's going to make a max gain of over 400% if we get up to that 500, which is going to be that resistance that we're looking for from going back to September 1st here. So AstraZeneca gets European approval for heart failure, lung cancer treatments. So AstraZeneca shares, if you want to take a look, AZN getting a nice little pop there in the pre-market. As that news continues to come through mainstream media, we could look for that to continue to rise and see what happens there. CVS is hiring 15,000 people across the United States in Q4. That's great news here. Economy's opening back up. I went with my family to SeaWorld this weekend, and it was jam-packed for the spooktacular here. So it's nice to see the economy opening back up. Everything's starting to look good again. Starbucks was upgraded from $81 to $88. So SBUX, if you take a look at that one here, that one's just starting to get a climb here as well. That's something we might be able to put on our watch list here. And we have earnings today, guys, from Halliburton this morning. And after the bell here, IBM, Logitech, and PPG Industries. So earnings season is upon us, guys. Get ready for a volatile market here going into election as well. So be cautious, trade small, and remember to be disciplined. I'll see you guys live shortly, and I hope everyone has a great week. Take care, God bless, and stay safe, guys.